Here are some materials we need to get started on our robotic arm project. We need an Arduino Uno, breadboard, servos, a joystick module, a button module, jumper wires, popsicle sticks, and a glue gun. Firstly, we need to set up the program we need on our Arduino Uno board, so we are able to configure the wirings later. The program we'll be using are as follows. After we're done with setting up our program, we can now test if the program is functioning. We will set up the 5-volt and ground connections from the Arduino to the breadboard by connecting the 5-volt wire on positive and ground wire on negative. Now, we can set up our joystick. With the joystick, connect the 5-volt and ground connections on the positive and the negative points of the breadboard respectively with the X-axis and Y-axis wires. Connect them on the analog slots, respectively A0 port for X-axis and A1 port for Y-axis. Now, you are ready to test your servos. To test them, you will have to connect your servos to the boards. Black wire indicates ground, red wire indicates power 5-volt, and orange wire indicates the digital pins. As previously showed, connect the ground and power wires on their respective slots in the breadboard. Connect the digital pin wire to the indicated digital pin on your program. In this case, slot it on digital pin 3. If the servo functions when using the joystick, repeat the process for the other servos. To set up the button module, simply connect the button to the breadboard. The button module will have 4 prongs, but you only need 2 for this. Align your jumper wires to the first front-facing prongs. These jumper wires will act as power and ground wires, and as previously shown, connect them on their respective places. If the servo functions once you push the button, you are now ready to assemble your robotic arm. You will use the popsicle stick and glue gun to build a frame for your servos. In order to make the robotic arms, you are free to experiment how the arms will look. However you please, but this is how we did it. Take a look. Remember, always test the part before gluing them together and finalizing the project. Once you are done, you will know how a functioning robotic arm result may vary, but the process is quickly easy once you figure it out. Thank you for watching and hope you will enjoy the video.